tucked away. Andrew Russell gets going very early in this game. Giving himself room, another boundary. This is Russell's style of... And he goes again, bat on ball, and it flies all the way for a 6.
Or if the batsman is easy as you like. And it's another My 11th circle.
And it goes for 4. How unfortunate.
More.
Goes for a wide and add 4.
That's in the air. And taken. First blood drawn. Oh, that's a big hit. Another 6. Another one. Flat batted it. And another My 11th circle.
We'll find the fielder. Oh my God. And he fumbles. Well, well, well. Goes straight and goes long. One bounce into the boundary. Edged away, fortuitous boundary. It's raining boundaries in this innings. Colombo Kings on fire with the bat.
Spoiled.
Goes high, goes long, gets a good result. Colombo Kings continue to pile on the runs. Goes again, and another 6. Wow, good support for Andrew Russell.
It's not Muhammad. Oh, nicely done. It's not all brawn when come.
That's a wide for Freedy. Now, I got a question to you. Now, this is what he could do when he's unfit. I shudder to think what he would be when he's fit.
Well, many cricketers don't be 100%. That alone is evidence that he is not 100%. And I think from a West Indian perspective, they would like to see all departments of his game.
Watch out. He didn't decline a single. He's got a plan against Shahid Afridi. Watch out. Oh.
It's not boundary, man.
See, in this scenario, every run matters. As you said, a run or 2 saved somewhere can help them, can hold them in good stead.
Clipped away, goes over the boundary, another 6 for Andrew Russell.
Toss. That was marginal. Very close to be a no ball.
This is in the innings. Andrew Russell, a half century to his name. 1 delivery left in the innings. What will it be?
Should be running for 2. What entertainment. What entertainment. In 5 overs, he contributed heavily with 65 to the total of 96. Brilliant.